Keto diet mistakes explained realistically. I tried keto thinking it was the ultimate shortcut. High fat, very low carbs. Everyone online promised quick results. One mistake, lasting lesson. This is not clickbait. It is what I learned after feeling rapid changes that I could have avoided with proper guidance. Keto shifts the body into ketosis. Fat becomes the main fuel. NIST studies explain this metabolic switch. Simple science. When carbs drop, glycogen depletes. Water leaves the muscles. Electrolytes drop. This can cause fatigue, dizziness, and brain fog. My first mistake was ignoring hydration and minerals. I felt lightheaded in the first few days. Mayo Clinic confirms electrolyte imbalance is common. Second mistake was extreme restriction. No vegetables, only meat and cheese. Fiber intake plummeted. Digestion slowed. Bloating and constipation appeared. How it works simply. Fiber supports gut bacteria. Gut bacteria influence digestion, immunity, and energy. NIN nutrition reviews highlight this connection. Third mistake was unrealistic expectations. I expected instant fat loss. Initial water loss gave false excitement. True fat adaptation takes weeks. Not everyone reacts the same. Age, activity, metabolism, and health status matter. Some people tolerate keto better. I found small carb intake from vegetables improved energy. Adding magnesium and potassium supported hydration. Important clarification. This is about supporting metabolism safely. Keto is not a magic solution. Before starting or changing keto, consult your doctor, especially with diabetes, kidney, or heart issues. Practical adjustments helped me. Moderate carb vegetables, hydration with electrolytes, balanced protein and fat. Possible side notes. Extreme restriction may trigger fatigue, headaches, or mood swings. Gradual adaptation prevents issues. Tracking progress was essential. Energy levels, digestion, mental clarity, blood markers when advised. Over time, fatigue decreased. Mental focus returned. Weight changes stabilized. This experience taught me balance matters. Extreme trends can backfire. If this helped you rethink keto, like the video and share your experience. Small adjustments today prevent major regrets.